Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Have you ever wondered how nature's hidden treasures are transformed into the medicines that save lives? White Brahman bulls possess a unique biochemical composition, exceptional collagen purity, optimal mineral density. What you are about to see is a world few have ever witnessed, where advanced science, robotics, and human expertise.
This is the story of how nature's most remarkable creatures become medicine's most powerful tools.
For generations, our dedicated team has carefully cared for these magnificent animals.
Every animal undergoes comprehensive health assessments, ensuring that only the healthiest specimens become part of the medical supply chain.
These animals are raised on sustainable farms, where they live full, healthy lives with complete respect for their welfare and dignity.
From wound dressings and drug capsules to bone grafts and injectable therapies, White Brahman bull bones provide the essential biomaterials. From the aspirin you take for a headache to the bandage on a wound, from the capsule that delivers your daily vitamins.
Deep within the vault of civilizations, a new day begins. Here,
verification complete. Proceed to Bay 1.
Keep it coming slowly. To your left, watch the line. Verify the seal. Does the digital record match the physical certificate?
Yes, everything is in order. We can accept this shipment.
Inside the factory, advanced robotic systems meticulously scan and verify each container, recording vital data for our life-saving medical products.
our quality control technicians ensure every sample meets the highest standards. The robotic X-ray confirms density and purity.
The optical scanners are showing a 98% accuracy rate on the large fragments.
Good. Keep the throughput steady.
In the precision trimming area, automated cutting machines meticulously prepare the White Brahman bones.
Here in the Vault of Civilizations factory, we use specialized food-grade solutions to meticulously degrease the White Brahman bones.
To degradus. Utilizing high heat and pressure, we eliminate all pathogens. This ensures the highest safety standards as
inside the control room, every temperature and pressure reading is continuously verified to guarantee that each batch meets the strictest medical manufacturing standards.
After sterilization, the bones are gently cooled on moving conveyors, preparing them for the final moisture removal.
Controlled airflow and precise heat extraction inside these drying tunnels ensure that every bone reaches the ideal moisture level for the crushing stage that follows.
The drying process is essential because reduced moisture allows the powerful jaw crushers to break bones efficiently. The hammer mills further reduce bone fragments into uniformly sized particles, ensuring that the subsequent precision mills. Precision milling transforms the crushed bone into an ultra-fine powder, with automated sieves guaranteeing that every part.
In the quality laboratory, microscopic examination and chemical analysis confirm that the bone powder contains the precise
Microbiological testing and advanced analytical screening are the final safeguards, ensuring that every batch of bone powder is with all safety tests cleared, the bone powder enters the extraction hall, where controlled hydrolysis will unlock the valves.
This is only the beginning of an extraordinary journey. In the next stage, Vault of Civilizations will...
At Vault of Civilizations, precision controls every stage as valuable proteins and minerals begin their transformation inside these towering reactors.
Automated systems and skilled engineers work in unison, maintaining exact temperature and pressure profiles to recipients.
Robotic agitators gently circulate the bone mixture, maximizing collagen and gelatin recovery, while
automated filtration precisely separates the valuable liquid protein fraction from the mineral-rich solids.
Advanced membrane filtration systems remove microscopic impurities, producing an exceptionally clean collagen solution that meets
physics. Every reactor sample undergoes immediate protein analysis and purity verification, ensuring that the collagen...
Controlled evaporation under vacuum gently concentrates the purified collagen, removing moisture while maintaining titers. In the gelatin section, purified collagen is precisely converted under controlled conditions into pharmaceutical-grade gelatin sets.
Vacuum drying gently removes the remaining moisture from liquid gelatin,
creating a stable, solid material.
Precision milling converts the dried gelatin into a free-flowing pharmaceutical-grade powder, with enclosed systems ensuring absolute purity throughout the particle size reduction process.
Automated sieving ensures that every gelatin particle meets the exact size specifications required for different medical applications and manufacturing processes.
The mineral-rich fraction undergoes specialized purification to extract valuable calcium compounds.
Advanced analytical instruments measure mineral concentration, chemical purity, and crystal structure, ensuring every
In the clean room blending department, purified ingredients are combined into standardized formulations, creating consistent
robotic filling systems transfer the blended formulations into sealed stainless steel vessels, protecting the sensitive medical ingredients from moisture and airborne contamination.
Every sealed vessel receives a unique digital tracking code, ensuring complete traceability from bone sourcing to final medical product manufacturing.
Computer-controlled robotic arms transport sealed vessels into sterile processing rooms, where additional quality verification control. Advanced AI monitoring systems instantly detect production variations and recommend immediate adjustments. Maintaining the final laboratory review and release authorization confirm that every processed ingredient meets the highest quality standards before it leaves the Vault of Civilization's facility.
From carefully processed bovine bones to purified medical ingredients, Vault of Civilizations has revealed how
Automated blending vessels precisely combine pharmaceutical-grade collagen, gelatin, and calcium
folds. Robotic dosing systems measure each ingredient with microscopic accuracy, ensuring that the precise formulation is maintained throughout.
Advanced vacuum mixers gently remove trapped air bubbles from the medical-grade blend, creating a perfectly uniform
Technicians collect samples from every production batch for immediate laboratory verification, ensuring the formulation matching crews.
High-speed filtration systems polish the blended material one final time, removing even the smallest remaining parts. Purified pharmaceutical gelatin enters the capsule shell production area, where automated equipment transforms it into medical-grade.
Precision molding machines produce thousands of uniform capsule shells every hour, with robotic cameras ensuring each one.
Automated conveyors carry approved capsule shells into climate-controlled drying chambers, where precise humidity and temperature.
Robotic inspection arms reject any imperfect capsules, ensuring that only flawless products continue toward the packaging line. In the biomaterial manufacturing department, purified collagen is transformed into specialized medical materials for wound.
Sophisticated freeze-drying equipment preserves the delicate structure of purified collagen, creating porous, stable.
Let's refer to the Hildgard's Kollagsvålsted. Scientists perform tensile strength, purity, moisture, and microbiology.
AI-powered vision systems inspect every finished product, instantly identifying even the smallest variation and ensuring.
Robotic packaging machines seal pharmaceutical ingredients inside sterile, moisture-resistant containers, with laser printers applying hundreds. Workers carefully inspect every sealed package, verifying labels, codes, and seal integrity before
legal. Robotic forklifts organize thousands of finished containers inside climate-controlled storage, with digital inventory systems.
Quality assurance managers review complete electronic production records and laboratory certificates, authorizing shipment only after
Large transport trucks back into loading docks as robotic pallet systems efficiently load sealed medical ingredients.
From responsibly sourced bovine bones to purified pharmaceutical ingredients, every stage reflects the precision.
After months of careful processing, testing, and inspection, these specialized ingredients begin their journey toward a
Workers scan every sealed container, confirming batch numbers, safety records, and destination information before
Automated robotic forklifts and artificial intelligence systems track every package in real time.
Climate-controlled storage rooms with constant temperature and humidity monitoring protect the quality of sensitive medical ingredients.
Logistics specialists use advanced computer systems to calculate optimal routes, transportation conditions, and delivery schedules.
Behind every medical ingredient is a carefully controlled supply chain designed to maintain quality from factory to final
International shipping containers.
Approved pharmaceutical companies receive the processed materials at their facilities, beginning the next phase of creating goods. At partner facilities, technicians maintain strict hygiene standards while preparing the received ingredients for additional medical purposes. Advanced medical manufacturing equipment transforms carefully tested biomaterials into finished healthcare products.
Vault of Civilization engineers continuously review production data, identifying opportunities to improve equipment. Researchers inside innovation laboratories experiment with advanced filtration technology and purification systems. Using computer simulations and advanced imaging technology, scientists study collagen structure and performance, Engineers develop sustainable processing methods that reduce waste and improve environmental efficiency. Demonstrate. Vault of Civilization's environmental management systems recycle water, reduce energy consumption, and safely handle Quality managers conduct regular facility inspections, checking equipment, safety systems, and production areas to maintain.
Thousands of hours of science, engineering, and teamwork come together behind every successful production.
From arrival to shipment, the transformation is complete. The Vault of Civilization's facility operates day and night, with automated systems moving efficiently while research.
This was the incredible journey from carefully processed bovine bone materials to advanced.
So hello guys, welcome back to another short note about this documentary. So this documentary takes viewer inside a modern Vault of Civilization factory to explore how carefully processed bovine bone materials are transformed into valuable medical grade ingredients. The journey begins with strict inspection, scanning, cleaning and preparation of approved raw materials. Advanced machines then remove impurities, sterilize the bones and crush them into fine particles for further processing. Inside the factory, scientists use advanced technology to extract useful components such as collagen, gelatin and minerals compounds under controlled condition. Every stage is monitored by skilled workers wearing yellow uniform marked Vault of Civilization, ensuring safety, quality and precision. This documentary shows powerful machinery, high-tech laboratories, testing systems, packaging lines and global distribution networks. Viewers discover how science, engineering and innovation work together to create important materials used in healthcare manufacturing. From the first inspection to the final shipment, this incredible factory journey reveals the hidden world of modern biometric production. Vault of Civilization brings this fascinating process to life, showing how technology can transform natural resources into products that supports medical advancements around the world. If you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe Vault of Civilization and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.